It's a very special feeling sitting on a yacht in the Mediterranean, soaking in the sun's rays and splashing about in the water, enjoying the fruits of a financially successful life and of its achievements. In the United Kingdom though, emerging entrepreneurs with their sights firmly set upon attaining a lifestyle such as this don't talk about becoming rich and buying a yacht. They talk about buying a Sunseeker. The name Sunseeker has become so synonymous with the finest of luxury motor yachts that the brand is associated with success and affluence, fortune, adventure and the epitome of leisure. Their close association with the James Bond franchise has done nothing but add to their appeal and make each one of their models highly desirable and much sought after. Now, when I talk about the desirability of a yacht, I talk not as a yacht owner, but as a yacht broker. We do market some yachts which attract very little attention indeed, but when a Sunseeker becomes available for sale and when it's the 28-metre model, the inquiries do come flooding in. If I was in the position to invest the kind of money that it takes to purchase a yacht such as this, I would want to know that there's a market for her when the time comes to part company. And in the case of the Sunseeker 28-metre, there are a multitude of reasons why the yacht buying public would love to own one of these. This model is such an ideal size for families to enjoy making memories together that will last for a lifetime. There are 4 sizable staterooms on board that include this palatial full beam master stateroom midships. It features sensational oversized windows that allow light to flood in so that you can really enjoy the panorama when you're dozing in a romantic bay, or shut it out by these blackout blinds when you just need to sleep. But the staterooms are no less well appointed, although of course a little smaller elsewhere below deck. Here, a twin cabin is positioned to the starboard side of the yacht that is just perfect for children, grandchildren, or for extra guests. To port, this sumptuous double cabin can be used for older children and their partners, maybe with their children sleeping just across the corridor in the previous cabin that we showed. And of course, this Sunseeker also accommodates a gorgeous VIP cabin forward so that the yacht can comfortably accommodate a total of 8 guests. Naturally, each stateroom has its own luxurious bathroom built from the kind of precious materials that created the reputation for luxury that Sunseeker enjoys. Not a bad way to start a day of fun on the water, or to finish it before you sink into a satisfied slumber. But even the happiest of families can value time spent apart, whether that is a girls' week away in Saint-Tropez or a lads' weekend together at the Monaco Grand Prix. It's hard to find a better venue for either of these locations, and just look at how well equipped this yacht is to satisfy a variety of requirements. The main lounge is spacious and welcoming, a blend of textures, colours and fabrics that seem to draw you inside the vessel as the worries and stresses of day-to-day life just float away outside. More even than the decor though, the most impressive part of the lounge is the sheer size of it, leading you to ask whether you really are on a 28-metre yacht and not something far larger. This is accentuated by these huge side windows that are a tribute to Sunseeker's engineering skills. The automobile industry is proud to introduce pillarless windows to their cars for greater visibility, but even they can't compete with the scale of this. Sunseeker are well known for their remarkable ability of maximising the areas on board that the owner and his guests will enjoy. They also do have some very practical ideas though. I would love to spend a weekend with my mates on this yacht, fishing in the Abacus Islands in the morning, put the mahi-mahi that we've caught into the oven in the afternoon, and just chill out with a few beers together while it cooks. Owning a yacht is not just about cocktails in Monaco. But for those who do enjoy a more sophisticated routine, the Sunseeker 28 metre is certainly not lacking in amenities. The flybridge, benefiting from the shade of this carbon fibre hardtop, is just built for stylish entertaining in a relaxed but refined setting. Just look at how well equipped this wet bar is, with a fridge to chill your champagne before putting it on ice and serving as a suitable aperitif before indulging in a barbecued Wagyu beef steak. There's even a choice of areas from which to enjoy such a delightful meal, as the flybridge hosts an ample dining area and the spacious aft deck lends itself to more formal dinners with guests. But we end this video where I would end the day if I owned such a wonderful vessel as this. Here, in the bow seating area. This is an oasis of peace. Even if you're tied up to the dock, you can still get away from everything here. Enjoy reading the newspaper or a quiet conversation with somebody close to you as the sun sets on the horizon and you share an end-of-day tipple before turning in for the night. But I can't end this video without stating what a very great yacht this particular Sunseeker 28 metre is. Many of the features chosen for the yacht will make your stay on board more enjoyable. The audio-video equipment has been upgraded. The yacht has 0-speed stabilizers. The swim platform can accommodate a 5-metre tender. The yacht has what Sunseeker call their Platinum package. Now that's the highest possible level of specification for this yacht. It's always exciting when a Sunseeker comes on the market, especially so when it's the 28 metre model. And when that 28 metre model has the level of specification that this has, it's a remarkable opportunity. So if you are that person looking for a yacht and this appeals to you, do get in contact. I would love to show you around the yacht in person, either myself or my colleague Ed Dickinson, with whom I share the listing. You can contact us at the email addresses shown on screen.